Well, welcome back to the Timeline Ranch. We have some rain in the area. It's not coming this way, it looks like on the radar, but I'll show you what it looks like out here when there is some rain around. This thing sure didn't look like that last year. There's another one up there. There's a few of them peppered out through here. They're pretty happy right now with the moisture that was available about 3 weeks ago when it rained. You can see the Ocotillo are starting to drop their leaves. That's a sign that it's been a while since it rained. A few flowers on this Chihuahuan sage. You see this one doesn't get a whole lot of water because of its location in the crack of a rock. It's hanging in there though. Hopefully the ranch will still get a couple rains before this monsoon season's up. You know, all the leaves are drying out and falling off. A few of the Ocotillos still look fairly green. A little further downhill is that water still traveling underground slowly. Well, I guess that's going to be it for this one. If you like what I'm doing and you want to help speed this project up, there's a few ways to do that in the description of the video. Buy Me a Coffee is one. There's also Amazon. Every little bit will get me closer to being out here full time and making this project go a lot faster. I'll also have the opportunity to catch these rain events when they happen. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.